we go. Walking in the woods. Oh God! Better this way. All right, here we go. Oh shit! I should got the rope. Foot stuck already. There we go. I know. Golly. My foot's stuck. Here we go. Good deal. We got it. About to go in. See y'all in a little bit. All right, we're watching Chris now.
Watch me work. Watch me work. What can I cut down? What's in the way? I don't like that thing. Get my phone. It's done. Drop down.
He got him digging in his drawers. Oh shit! I just sank 6 inches standing still. Oh gosh! Oh, maybe it ain't better over there.
Yeah. Shit. All right. Ready for this?
Let's go.
Let's see what you got here. Woo! Got it. Chop, 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 chop. Ladies, you can thank me later for this. So you want me to hit you thin on the stick?
I'm thinking it's a gator.
Yeah. Yep.
Push the whole thing up in the trees.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna cut up some just in case it comes back out.
There you go.
Yeah, buddy. Don't mess with me. Get out, Gordon.
I got it. I got it.
What else you think?
That looks pretty good. I think he's stuck, folks. Yeah. What do you think? He's making all kind of funny noises.
There we go. Perfect.
You need to go get you a pair of these hip waders.
Makes a difference, huh?
Yeah, it does.
But still.
I mean, it still gets stuck, but
Yeah.
the thing is, I can grab a hold to the tops of them and pull them out.
What happened there, you think?
I don't know.
You don't know?
But I can't get my boot loose. There it goes.
There you go.
I ain't gonna break
There you go. Push it, push it. Yeah.
That's whew.
Or pull it.
I can't pull it. There's another. It was breaking that way.
Huh.
I get.